In this video, we'll be looking for a quick access toolbar. Okay, so what are quick access toolbars? It will make it your work very easier, and it's in short. Okay, so when you open a Excel, Microsoft Excel workbook, so here you can see in the sheet, your left hand corner, top of the corner, you can see some icons are there. So this is our quick access toolbars. Okay, from here you can see it. You can directly close the files or everything. You can do it. And the next one is save option. Okay, so what are the data you're keeping here? If you want to save the data, so you can directly give it over here. You just click it and you can give save. Okay, so this is our undo and redo buttons. So as of now, I didn't work anything in the worksheet, so it's not visible. So next one is print. Okay, so if you want to give if you have any data or something, you have to give print. Okay, so as of now, I didn't do any work in this worksheet, so it's not going for the print. So you have to click go to file, and you have to click print option, and you have to do it all those model. What are the previews you want to do it, you can do it. Okay, so it will go 2-3 clicks. Okay, so for that one, you can directly give a printer option from here, quick access toolbar. You can give print option directly. It will show you that backstage view. Okay, so and then here you can see a small drop down here. So now you can see this is customized your access toolbar, quick access toolbar. What are the quick access toolbars? You want to keep it here. So if you do it anything often, very often, if you want to take print out very often, so you can keep the print. Okay, print option here. It will show display here. Okay, so or else any other commands you want to do it, you can do it from here. So I'm just if you want to do it that sums. Okay, so if you want to keep that some formula. Okay, so for that one, you can go to more commands, that drop down. Okay, here you can see all those um, what are the things you want to keep it, you can keep it. Okay, insert function, cells, and what are the things you want to keep it, you just select it, so it will show you here. Okay, so I just want to keep it some already it's save, undo, redo, quick print, everything is there. So I'm just selecting that sum function. Okay, if you want you can keep it here. Okay, give add, and it's showing here, and then you can just give okay. So you can see this auto sum, this thing is here only. Okay, so what are the things you want to keep it in this quick access? So if you want to do it auto sum, every time you have no need to type go to auto sum and type that formula. So what are the things you want to keep it, you can customize as per your choice. Okay, okay, this is called quick access toolbar. Likewise, you can customize your quick access toolbars also. Okay, why don't you try it by yourself?